How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the portal and upload labs. Now, of course, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and actually unlock the portal. You want to keep unlocking nodes in your standard research tree until you unlock the portal technology. And once researched, this unveils the advanced research nodes. From there, to go ahead and use the portal, you want to gather portal research points. Basically, you want to send data such as science or processing output into advanced research nodes, and doing this periodically generates portal points. From there, you want to go ahead and spend points in the bonus tree. So you want to open the portal menu located at the bottom right of your screen, the icon resembling a fan, and you want to go ahead and spend your gathered points in the portal's key tree to purchase permanent multipliers for your future runs. From there, we can now go ahead and enter the portal. Once your upgrades are queued in the portal tree, you actually just want to press the enter portal button to prestige. This will reset your progress, but it rewards you with your newly purchased multiplier, significantly increasing your progression speed. So if you have played something like God of War before, the portal is just actually a new game plus, but the new game plus will buy you your both multipliers onto your new game. So this will significantly change the gameplay of our upload labs. So that's all there is to it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.